This is one of the scenes where they filmed the Get Down, where the guy says, "What's the Get Down?" He says, "You don't know what the Get Down is?" Well, right here, right now, this is the Get Down.
Wow!
All right?
Yeah,
thanks, guys. This is a rock where my kid used to play as a kid, when she was a little kid, my daughter. Right now, this is the winter Get Down. Yo, check it out. Hold this for a second. Film me, I want to see this. So anyway, right now, I got my gloves, I got everything. This is St. Mary's Park in the boogie down South Bronx. You know, and everywhere I go, I gotta fly my colors, baby. You know what I'm saying? Light symbolics all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace and blessings to everybody around the world. All right? Good looking out. What's your name, bro?
Noel.
Noel?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up,
David.
bro? David and Noel. Oh, that's biblical, bro.
Yeah.
All right?
All right.
You guys rocked it, bro. Thanks a lot.
All right.
Peace.
Peace.
Going back home now. Because, yo, look at this. The snow is pretty deep. Look at this right here. Watch. Look how deep that is. And it's only going to get deeper because it's still snowing. All right. So anyway, this is where they filmed the Get Down. Well, parts of it to Get Down. All right, people. I'm out. Stay warm.